yo. Let me on time, showing you the rhythm as I get record.
What's wrong with you?
What? You're probably wondering why.
Bandy.
I wouldn't want to ruin the whole surprise for you because there's just no fun in that, is there?
What's wrong with you?
Well,
What is this? Whoa, it's like a movie, but we haven't reached the end yet. I put him in check, I show him how the trend set. Pushing weight as if we bench press. Yes. Sipping on the rum and the coke, I'm loving the smoke, double dutch, jumping the rope. She looked like this one girl that I wanted to know, so I'm seeing how it makes out with my tongue in her throat. I already set my mark, so I come and I go. She sniffing the lines, got a numb off the coke. She saw you dig and laugh like the funniest joke. Seem like fake niggas always come with a hoax. Talking about the realest niggas, I'm one of the most. If you wanted to know, I run it, I know. Don't care, long hair, I'm the Black Samson. Got guns, click clack, and then tap dancing at random. I started at the beginning, but don't want an odd future. Don't be confused to death, so what's God to ya? What is this? No, it can't be. I'm always fancy. Yeah, we on the champion. Yo, titties, yeah, my hands be on. That's just how it happens, girl. Yeah, don't be tripping on my word. AKA mean I'm about to kick ass. All these hoes mean somebody getting smashed. Oh shit, I'm getting high off these drugs, but I need them. Like a vampire needs blood. What's wrong with you? What's wrong with me? I gave y'all motherfuckers a song to sing, and I ain't got mittens on, but I catch on to things. And I'm feeling like the rap game belong to me.
I'm trying to remember, trying to think. My mind keeps running like the kitchen sink. I'm about to shrink, I shrunk the kids. The life you see is the life I live. Not the music viz, that's not my life. Living on the edge like I rolled the dice. Scratch the lights, call it confused. Cameras on me, keep the world amused. I've paid my dues, I count my change. A person like me, I'm out of my range. Other people think that I'm kinda strange, but I just want money like a zombie needs brains.
What's wrong with you?
I thought you knew. You hear that shaking? Yeah, it's those screws. They come on loose over time. Got so much money and it's all mine. And them dimes, I got them too. But that's another life. Not gonna tell you why so blue. It's alright. Maybe I'll tell you later like another time. Kinda feel blind, feeling kinda sketch. People all shy, think I'm the best. Unlike the rest, I'm brand new. Here to introduce the random crew. What it do? Hey, what's new? You talk to me like I used to know ya. I used to adore you, but now it's cut. I love to be behind like how's my butt? All my trucks, I'm skating too. Always love skating till the worms need food. Yeah, these are blues, but my color's so green. We'll fog the room like the end of the scene.
Yeah. What is this?
What's wrong with you?
What is this? What is this?
What's wrong with you?
What is this? What's wrong with you?
What's wrong with you?
Yes, sir.